Is it time to buy or sell Sharps Technology stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Sharps Technology. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 10th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 21st of February, 2025, our system has identified Sharps Technology as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.88. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has faced a significant loss of 94.86%. This results in an average daily loss of 2.71% since the designation as a sell candidate. The stock has broken through a significant and declining short-term trend. Initially, we observe a slower rate of decline, which may serve as an early indicator of a potential trend reversal. During the reaction phase, we anticipate support at the ceiling of the recently breached trend, which is at -0.135. This level could offer a second opportunity for upward movement. According to fan theory, 0.566 is projected to be the next possible peak level, presenting a resistance point that might not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly -99% over the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging between -100% and -107.82%. In a longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis points to a projected decline of approximately -62.45%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -100% to 9,427.91% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price range between $0 and $1.74. Our latest daily update for Sharps Technology includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Sharps Technology Inc., stock price on Thursday moving between 0.0168 and 0.0375. The Sharps Technology Inc. stock price gained 30.71% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 10th of April, 2025, rising from 0.014 to 0.0183. During that day, the stock fluctuated 123.21%, with a day low at 0.0168 and a day high of 0.0375. The price has fallen in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by 88.02% over this period. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 2 billion more shares traded than the day before. In total, 2 billion shares were bought and sold for approximately $29.29 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $18.15, and the lowest price was $0.0112. Currently, the price is 99.90% or $18.13 below the 52-week high and 99.98% or $79.62 below the all-time high on the 19th of April, 2022, when the price reached $79.64. Sharps Technology Inc., trading under the symbol STSS, has been actively engaging with its shareholders and positioning itself for growth in the medical device sector. A notable recent development was the reminder to shareholders to vote prior to the pivotal shareholder meeting held on the 28th of March, 2025. The outcomes of these votes could influence strategic decisions, potentially leading to significant changes that may affect stock performance. Earlier, on the 6th of March, the CEO provided a corporate update, emphasizing agreements for their SecureGuard and SoloGuard products. Following a successful capital raise of $20 million, the company is strengthening its manufacturing capabilities in Hungary, which is crucial for meeting increased demand and enhancing revenue streams. In January 2025, the company announced the closing of its upsized public offering, also amounting to $20 million. This financing not only bolsters its cash position, but also reassures investors of future growth potential, which is likely to positively impact stock prices in the short term. Moreover, Sharps regained NASDAQ compliance in November 2024, ensuring continued access to capital markets, a significant factor influencing investor confidence. The reverse stock split approved in October may have initially worried some investors, but it can also lead to a more stable stock price by reducing volatility in the long run. Collectors of Sharp stock are likely to view these developments favorably, which collectively suggest an upward trajectory for both their market presence and financial health, potentially driving stock prices higher in the long run. Analysts have assigned Sharps Technology stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Sharps Technology. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 30.71%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is identified. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence near-term developments. Sharps Technology Incorporated holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During corrections upward, there will be resistance from the lines at 0.0218 and 0.213. A breakout above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 19 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 148 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 197 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Sharps Technology. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 0.0169 and 0.0140. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased. A drop below the support at 0.0140 may lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Coupled with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 0.0207 between its high and low, which represents 123.21%. In the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 53.77%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Sharps Technology, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies go through downturns, often influenced by external factors. Nevertheless, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could indicate risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Sharps Technology. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Sharps Technology stands at 0.02. If you do not currently hold any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already invested in the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Sharps Technology meets its first support level at 0.0169. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Sharps Technology from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Hayes Robert Michael, who bought and sold 300,700 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 98.541. In total, insiders purchased 2,620,403 shares and sold none in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Sharps Technology stock a good buy? Sharps Technology Inc. currently exhibits several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, we have revised our evaluation of this stock from a strong sell to a sell candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 11th of April, we expect Sharps Technology to open higher by approximately 0.06 of a cent and begin trading at around 2 cents and 42 hundredths. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.